These new parts just came in the mail. They were just dropped off, and I'm so excited to put them on. You guys probably already know what they are because it's probably in the thumbnail and everything like that, but we got a front grill because I'll show you in a second, but the front grill, I don't like that at all. And we also got a lip. Alright guys, let's unbox these things. All I have is a screwdriver because, well, the knife's in the car and I don't feel like going in the car and everything. So, first things first is let's unbox this big box, right? I don't know what this is. I wonder what it is. Oh, I'm so excited! Dun, da, da. It's a new lip for the bumper. Need more load. And that's it. Now for the second box. You guys ready for this one? Any ideas? Any ideas? Jeez, they wrapped this thing good. They really did not want it to get messed up. I'm so excited. Oh, sweet. Look at that. The new grill is finally here. And I've been waiting all week for this. All right guys, so we got a new front lip and a new front grill for the G35. Let's go put on the grill. All right, so it's time to install the front grill. These are pretty simple. You basically just put the screwdriver in and pop them out. And I just have one more left, and I'm pretty sure that's all I need to do to get it off. Well, got all these off and it's still not coming off, but I realized there's these little tabs down here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but you basically just push them in and the grill should come off. And just like that, the grill is off. Say goodbye to this nasty old chrome and hello to this beautiful clean black one. Now it's time to install the new grill. Just installed the new front grill and I'm not too happy with it. From a far distance, it doesn't look terrible, but you can tell right here there's a gap that shouldn't be there. And also this one did not line up, so this one's not bolted in. And I mean, it's not in there good. But I'll shut the hood and see how it looks. Close, it's not too terrible from a distance, but definitely not exactly how I want it. So it's not perfect, but it isn't too bad where I'm like not gonna run it, but I'm definitely gonna be looking for a better fitting front grill piece, just because I want it to fit perfect, and it's just a little off, and it's gonna bug me if I don't get it perfect, because this is the car I wanna keep perfect. This one's the one that's not gonna be perfect, so this one is gonna bug me if it's not perfect. But now let's put the lip on. Now it's time to install the lip. I'm gonna be using some 3M tape to mock it up, and then also some self-tapping screws to screw it all in. I tried to mock up the front lip with tape, but it keeps slipping off, and then I also tried the 3M tape and it wasn't sticking either. So time to have a beer and wait for Haley to get home. And just like that, Haley is home and she brought food and she's gonna help me install the lip. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. What do you think?
It looks good.
Do you notice the bad fitment on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I do now.
I might have to get a new one. Huh?
So you told me.
Yeah, I don't know. I might have to get a new one. What do you I don't really know if I like this part either. The thing in the middle right there. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It looks better than this, in my opinion. What do you think?
I like that. That's
you like the chrome?
I mean, not like chromed out like my car, but
yeah, her car's
fine.
chromed out. I don't know. I don't like the chrome. I mean, this isn't terrible, so we'll probably run it for a little bit.
Get her. She doesn't want to be in. Get her.
Haley's mom came over. She's gonna help with the lip too, right? But yeah, so we're gonna try to mock this thing up. The tape was not working at all, like I said before. So we're gonna try to mock it up and screw it in. Haley decided that squatting down was not an option and she didn't want to walk from the garage, so she rolled. Isn't that right? All right, I need you to grab that side of the lip. And basically put it up. So I'm gonna have to grab it too. And then basically there's a spot over there and it should fit up perfect. Like that. And then make sure the bottom is level, which should be. Is it good? All right, and now I'm gonna hit it with the self-tapper. Okay, so the lip is all mounted and so is the front grille. Again, pretty good fitment, decent fitment on the lip, but I'm not sure if I'm a big fan. I don't know. I think that the car needs to be lowered some, and I think that's gonna make it look a lot better. But I mean, it doesn't look terrible. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the new look. I don't know, maybe something you gotta grow on. It just looks like so high off the ground. Like, it almost makes it look higher off the ground now. Like, it just looks so high, I don't know. It's weird. Coilovers are definitely coming soon. I'll be running the True Heart coilovers on the G35, and I'll be making a install video and also a review video and probably some other videos on the coilovers, because I know a lot of people are gonna wanna know how good they work and how well they ride and how low you can go and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna be filming that all once I get the coilovers, which hopefully is soon. I'm planning on ordering them tomorrow, like I said earlier. Super excited. I'm thinking I wanna drop the car about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, to make it like clean, pretty low. I'm pretty sure I can drop it that much without having to roll the fenders, but I might have to roll the fenders. So if I do, then I'll roll the fenders and probably put that in a video as well. But yeah, so the car's looking pretty good. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of the way the front grille looks, but from afar, it's actually kind of growing on me just being out here and filming this video. So I don't know, we'll give it a couple days and then see what's up. I might be getting a new grille, and if I don't like the way this lip looks, probably gonna get a whole new bumper, because this is pretty much the only lip I can get for the sport bumper, because it's a whole different bumper, and they don't have a lot of aftermarket lip support for them. So maybe a new bumper coming soon, I'm not sure. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, guys.